Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds EDIFIER HECATE GX07 available on your Android device? So I already installed the application what EDIFIER offer for the headphones. It's called EDIFIER Connect. And we can open it. So I already set up this application, and after you set up it, you can check a list with available devices. And right here we have two options how to check it. We can, because we have HECATE series, we can use HECATE series line, or we can use noise cancellation, because these headphones have ANC, so you can check it also at this line. And right here we have this model. Our model is GX07, so this is. And as I said, we can also use ANC and check it right here. So my short answer is yes, the application for your earbuds available on your Android device. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!